Welcome to ICSC Help YouTube channel. Today we are discussing about ICSC class 9 mathematics indices. Indices. We can write anything in two parts. First, A into A into A into A is equal to product form. Product form. While in second case, A 1, 2, 3, 4 indices form. Indices form. Yeah, exponential form. Exponential form. This is known as indices. This part, this system. There are some rules for indices in ICSC class 9 mathematics. First of all, rule 1. If a की power m into a की power n multiply rule, this is the base and this is power. This is the base and this is power. This is the base and this is power. Then a is equal to m plus n. By taking an example, if 10 की power 3 into 10 की power 5 is equal to 10 की power 3 plus 5 is equal to 10 की power 8 answer. Second rule is also very simple. If a की power m divided by a की power n, then a की power m minus n. By taking some example, if 8 की power 6 divided by 8 की power 2 is equal to 8 की power 6 minus 2, 8 की power 4 answer. And the third rule is also very easy. If a की power m की power n, then a is equal to m into n. By taking some example, we can write it. If 2 की power 3 की power 4, 2 की power 3 into 4, 2 की power 12 answer. Fourth rule. If a into b की whole power m, then a की power m and b की power m. Example, 2 into 3 की power 2 into 3 की power 2, 2 की power 2 into 3 की power 2, 2 2 जा 4, 3 3 जा 9, 36 answer. Fifth rule. The fifth rule is also very easy. If a की power m, then 1 upon a की power minus m. Example, 2 की power 8, 1 upon 2 की power minus 8. Sixth rule. The zero power of any base is 0. 10 की power f की power 0 is equal to 1. Like 265 की power 0 is equal to 1. m into f की power 2 की power 0 is equal to 1. And the other rule, seventh rule is rule number 7. If a की power m and b की power m is equal to b की power m, then a is equal to b. 2 की power 4 is equal to 2 की power 4, 2 is equal to 2. The eighth rule is also very easy. If under root m, then m is equal to 1 upon 2. If cube root m, then m is equal to 1 upon 3. If 4 root m, then m is equal to 1 upon 4, and so on. These indices are used to find out the value of unknown quantity. Now we will discuss with example. Question: if x की पावर -1, y की पावर -1, x की पावर -1 प्लस y की पावर -1, 1/x इंटू 1/y, 1/x प्लस 1/y इक्वल टू एलसीएम xy अपान x प्लस y अपान y प्लस x, 1/xy इंटू x प्लस y अपान एलसीएम xy, xy अपान x प्लस y, xy and xy reduce इक्वल टू 1/x प्लस y. Answer. If you want to get the solution of chapter indices of any famous publication such as O.P. Malhotra, M.L. Agarwal, Kansai Selina or Goel brother R.S. Agarwal, then visit icfcl.com. The solution of the answer of all exercise of indices chapter had been given in sequential order. Thank you.